Hello everyone, today I am going to create these type of floor designs in Revit. These are basically two materials which kind of overlap with each other. So in this tutorial I am going to use two methods to show you how you can create these floors or material types. But before we start, let me ask you to like and share my videos, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any kind of difficulty or query related to Revit, you can ask me anytime. So now let's start. In the floor plan, I am going to create the floor using the floor command, and just for the tutorial I'm going to make a random shape. As I am going to show you two methods, so I have created another copy of it. Okay, now first of all let's create our materials. For that I have downloaded the materials from this website SketchUp Texture Club, and the link is given below in the description box. Do make an account in this website. For a free account you can download up to maximum 15 textures per day, and it is quite handy. You have a high resolution realistic materials, also seamless, so you get a very nice texture out of them. So here I'm going to search instead of finding them, so let's write it herringbone wood, and here you can see the textures which are available under this search items, and you can see that each texture also comes with a number of color patterns, colors. So for this tutorial I'm going to download these two textures, material textures. So I have downloaded them, and you can see that they come out of four different colors but of same size and shape. So I have downloaded them on my system. After that, in the manage tab, open this material dialog box, and instead of creating a new material from scratch, let's duplicate this wood planks material and assign a new name to it. Now in the appearance tab, make sure you check this duplicate this asset so as to save the previous material, otherwise it will make changes in the previous one as well. So always duplicate the asset before editing the material. Now click here and load this image into the material, and now from this dialog box you can change the scale and the size of the material. Let's, for this tutorial, let's keep it 8 feet by 8 feet. Now again duplicate this material, assign new name to it, and then in the appearance tab again duplicate this asset so as to save the previous one, and then load this lighter material and make sure that these two materials are of same scale. So we have our two materials, one is the darker one and the other one is a lighter one. Click OK, and now assign these materials to this floor. Now go to the realistic graphic display, and it looks like this as the material has been applied to the floor. Now I'm going to use the method 1, which is the split face command, and select this split face command in the modified tab, then select this floor and start creating the boundary for the other material. So as you can see in this video that I am going along the edges of the tiles in the realistic graphic display, because that's how the other material is going to be attached to this material. As both the tiles are of same size, same shape, same texture, but they are just different in color, so This is how I am going to place the other material by using the split face command. So here I have created this pattern, and you can see in the hidden line view that it looks like this. Now again apply the split face command to create more design on this floor. If by using the split face command you have created two or more than two or more loops, it will create an error, as you can only create one loop at one time. To create the other loop, you have to use the split face command again. So that is quite a negative point for this command, as you have to use the split face command again and again, and then using the paint command you can apply the material on those surfaces where you want it, which you have where you have already applied the split face command. So this is method 1, and in the 3D view you can see that this is type of a paint which is only applied on the top surface and not on below that. So it looks like this. And now I'm going to use the second method. For that, select the floor, click on create parts, and you can see the floor has become invisible. Then go to this dialog box, and from here open this view range dialog box, and in here change the settings of this to unlimited, and then this one to the unlimited, and click OK. And now again the floor has become visible. Okay, so select this floor and then click on divide parts, then click on edit sketch, and here you can just let's create a random entity shape in this floor. Now there is this option of show original or show parts. Now if you click on show original, the parts will not be visible, and if you click on show parts, then the parts will be visible. Now first of all, let's create a pattern on this floor using the simple model line. As when we select the floor and then click on edit sketch, and the floor is in blue color and cannot see the tiles, so it is a good thing that you create the lines, you place the lines using the model line, so you should know where you are going to place your lines in the edit sketch mode. Now after placing the model lines, click the sketch and edit sketch, and then delete these lines, and then by using this pick tool start placing lines on the model lines, as you can see in the video. And after you have completed it, and make them an enclosed loop like this, and then click OK. After that, delete these model lines, as we don't need them anymore. Now select all of the parts, and then in this dialog box move below and uncheck this material by original, and here use the other material which you want to apply, and it has been applied to this floor. In the 3D you can see the difference between these two methods, and you can see by using the parts technique the tile is also placed within the floor depth, and it also has the width depth within the floor. And but in this split face and paint command it does not have any depth. So I would recommend using this parts technique instead of the split face. So that's all for today. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any kind of difficulty you can ask me anytime. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care, and most importantly don't forget to like, share and subscribe.